Application of the vocabulary. Line N is A. Okay, so I have line R and I have line S, and I have a line that is hitting two different lines in two different places, and therefore line N is a transversal. What type of angles are 1 and 2? If I cover everything up and I see that 1 and 2 are right next to each other on a flat line, I know that those are supplementary. Two and 6. 2 is right here. 6 is right here. This is outside, that is inside. Okay. That's top right, that's top right. So top right of that cross and top right of that cross, that means they're corresponding. Two and 3. I don't even have to have this. I have 2 and 3. I have a line and a line intersecting, and the point of the angles are right next to each other, so they are vertical angles. 2 and 4 make a flat line, so they are supplementary. So you just realized that you can have supplementary angles like this, and you can have supplementary angles like that. 3 and 6, here's 3, goes across, it's in the inside. This is the inside area, the inside region. There's 3. Jump across the transversal and stay inside. So they are alternate interior angles. 1 and 8. 1 is exterior. Across the transversal on exterior. And that's alternate exterior angles. So the reason we need to know these is if the two lines are parallel, all I have to do is give you one angle out of the 8, and you can figure out the other 7 angles. Okay? So here we go. Angle 4. Angle 4 is 38 degrees. So he's 38 degrees. Okay? So there's 2 definitions that you need, 2 or 3 definitions that you need to know. So this says line R is parallel to line S. This only works if the lines are parallel. Do you remember when I said vertical lines or vertical angles are congruent? Okay. 4 is vertical to 1. So that's also 38 degrees. So when we're doing this, there are only 2 numbers that are going to be filled in on this place. And that is 38 and whatever adds up to 180 with the 38. 142. So in here, the only 2 numbers that can be there are 38 and 142. Okay, so here I'm going to do this. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary because they form a flat line. And remember that supplementary adds up to 180. So angle 2 is 142 degrees. So if I put 142, now look how cool this is. 142 and angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent. So angle 3 is 142 degrees. Top left have to be the same. So top left is 38 Then top left down here is 38. So angle 5 is 38 degrees. Angle 5 and angle 8 are vertical angles, so that's 38. Angle 5 and angle 6 are supplementary angles, so that's 142. And 6 and 7 are vertical angles, and that's 142. And another way you can look at it is that cross right here. So there's a little cross right here. Has the numbers 38, 142, 38, 142. And this cross matches it, 38, 142, 38, 142. So the thing is given two parallel lines cut by a transversal, I give you one angle, you give me all other 7 angles.